Hello and welcome to PrintBoss Online Support. In this video, we are going to show you how to adjust the MICR line at the bottom of your checks. The location of the MICR line is calculated by PrintBoss based on the directives passed in the #MICR command. Typically, this placement is accurate for a check printed at the bottom of an 11-inch page. Sometimes there's a small difference in alignment from printer to printer. A separate adjustment can be made in the configuration of PrintBoss to correct the alignment. Once this is made, it should not need to be changed unless the printer driver or operating system is changed. The MICR offset adjustment is set in PrintBoss both vertically and horizontally. This setting is global for all forms. It is workstation and user specific. Please note, as each piece of check paper runs through the printer with slight variations, no two pages will print exactly the same. For this reason, a range of placement is acceptable according to the American Banking Association and the Canadian Payments Association. The MICR Location Adjustment Wizard builds a graph on a piece of paper which will provide offset figures for vertical and horizontal adjustments. Select Options Configuration from the PrintBoss Master application window to access the adjustment settings. Click on the MICR Adjust Wizard button to open a step-by-step adjustment wizard. This method can be used with US and Canadian style checks. The MICR Adjust Wizard builds a graph on a piece of paper which will provide offset figures for vertical and horizontal adjustments. Here is a tip for running the MICR Adjust Wizard. To build the graph, you print on the same piece of paper twice. The first pass goes through the printer as it normally does, passing through the printer top to bottom. For the second pass, flip the page so that it prints bottom to top. The second pass will print right on top of the first to create a graph. Performing this print calibration will enable PrintBoss to figure out exactly where the printable region of this printer exists, which will enable the MICR line to be positioned correctly. Do the following steps. 1. Click on Step 1 to print the page. 2. Flip the printed page top to bottom and print the second time right on top of the first. Now click on Step 2. Number 3, look at your graph and write down the values where the index lines cross the vertical and horizontal gouges. 4, enter these values in Step 3. 5, click Next to finish, and the MICR offset adjustment values will be modified automatically. Please note, using the MICR Location Adjustment Wizard will help correctly place the MICR line for this PC and printer combination. Once this is adjusted correctly, it should work on all check forms you have in PrintBoss. The settings are saved local to each PC. If you have more PCs running PrintBoss, they may need to run the MICR Location Adjustment Wizard for their printers as well. Thank you for your interest in PrintBoss. We welcome questions and comments to support@printboss.com.